This is my second one, yeah. I went to one before at Lazat, so it's the second time I've been to a Tech for Schools event. The thing that was attracting me to come today was the speakers, Angela Shaw, consultancy all about Ofsted, also to find out any new gadgets or new ways that we can use technology in schools, in classrooms with the children.
This is my second. The last one I came to so impressed me that we felt we must come again. I think it was probably the best half day I've spent in training over the last 30 years.
And yet I've been made to feel really welcome at these events. I think the information that is given is really valuable. I can't even begin to quantify how much I've learned since I've been coming to the events. But I am hoping to join you very near in the future.
We've now found the power of this stuff that we're now using in school. We went in, we were able to use it to make the staff more enthusiastic, and the prime thing that I'm seeing is that where we were consistently good, we've now got pupil engagement in lessons which is consistently outstanding. It has made such a difference to our children, and I walk into classrooms that are now buzzing and excited, and it's fabulous.
So this morning, listening to Angela Shaw about Ofsted, what they look at, what we need to do, just thought it was absolutely brilliant. It was on the ball, very focused. Wrote down a few bits, notes to take back, remind people, a few ideas that now that I'll take back into school literally with my staff to get them to see some of the things we need to be looking at, should be looking at, so that children get the very best.
It's been incredibly cheap. I have to say my favourite cost is free, and what we've got from this has really set us back very little. What it has done though is make us think about some of the equipment that we've had, and we've just actually bought more of stuff so that we can then use the advice that we've had from Tech for Schools just for more children at the same time.
One thing that particularly stands out is the event that you did on e-safety and getting the e-safety award, where you had an ICT coordinator come in from Annaby Heads Primary School and describe how they'd gone through the process and how they've been supported by Primary Tech, which gave us some real insights into what we could do in our school to improve our e-safety policies and our e-safety procedures as well, which we've already started to implement. Another thing that particularly stands out is a session that you did on Raspberry Pis, talking about programming and coding, because of course that's all new, isn't it, coming in with the curriculum in 2014, and as a result of that I've already started to experiment with those and with some of our more able children in Year 6, and that's really given us a head start, I think.
A lot of reassurance, a lot of what we're doing is already there, but I think some of the tracking in terms of incidents in class, we will definitely be putting that in place, and also using it for the teachers' performance management. I think that will be our next big step as a result of today.
I think the informal setting is really nice as well, particularly in previous events where we've had other authorities along. It's been really nice to meet people from different authorities as well as from different schools, so that you can find out about what other people are doing and learn from them as well.
I personally don't worry about getting the phone call from Ofsted. I think if we get the moral compass right and we know what we're there for and we make sure children are learning, if we do those things right, Ofsted should take care of itself and see that that's doing. But it's good to just check what we're doing and make sure we are doing what's right for the children so they learn and progress.
Actually anything that you can get onto the insights of Ofsted is useful, because it changes so quickly at the moment, and we are due an Ofsted inspection within the next sort of 5 months, I think, really, and it's just nice to hear from an Ofsted inspector about exactly what we need to be doing in order to be ready.
I've worried less now that I've been here and I've heard about the fact that you can make sure you make arrangements beforehand, that your technology will be prioritised if you just warn the companies that you're about to have the inspection, and so we don't need to worry about, oh, will it crash?